National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Varna, or 10 miles east of Laken, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennepin, Granville, NCNABB, Mark, Magnolia, Standard, and Floyd.
Wonder if Chicago's going to issue a warning. Not yet.